$200 million. That's how much America's largest retailer is saving by replacing not only fluorescent, but every outdated bulb in every store, club, and parking lot with new energy-saving LED fixtures. The increased visibility, safety, and security will benefit everyone. In his announcement, Walmart CFO Brett Biggs shared details of how the multi-year upgrade to LEDs is not only good for the environment, employees, and customers, but the changes will greatly reduce annual energy costs, creating an incredible positive cash flow situation. Your facilities may not be as large as Walmart, but you will experience incredible savings because the Eagle guarantees money back to your business with no upfront cost.